gāka laua mafukaga. You left with the kids and started working hard. Kausi laua magaoga faigaka. But it isn't enough. Fiakagaka. Then you find a rich and wealthy man to take care of you. Yeah, it rains everywhere. Yes, kimu kamo'e. Legei. Olaga, legei magaoga. To be a strong and independent woman, you need to prove that it can be done. So you're dating a wealthy man, but ole toalua faaipoipoga isi fafine. Ooh, you are now a sidechic. Etele siligia, sona, toalua, masana, fanau. Then you begin to think of the side chicks your husband has and why he has them. It doesn't make sense still. So you call le kamaloa Olaga fale male koalua siligia pe alo faaipoipoga. But he hides to shout at you for wanting to disturb his peace with his wife. You think of your hurts. It rains everywhere. Yes, kimu kamo'e. Legei. Olaga, legei magaoga. I say I love a low toalua who was fully yours. He cheats, but he was fully yours. What is going on with him now? But he is married again to a younger woman, a beautiful young woman. He will visit you and the kids, drop some money once a while, because the new wife is in charge now. Are dating each married man. Both of them are cheating on their wives. And then you say life wasn't fair to you. Olaga poko ao maile me asese. Awa rofoai. Bea fai asasi ole la lola gio kuigaga uga ele fai se figauga. What about them? What about their marriage? What about their children? You think of your consolation. Aikakalo ile atua, inaiatoa fua. Faamagalo mafagalo ile lea gama kuikimaka. Maguya ailo